Uninstalling League of Legends is a straightforward process whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. Here's how to do it on both systems. For Windows, start by opening the Control Panel. You can access this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Once there, click on Programs or Programs and Features. From the list of installed programs, find League of Legends. Right-click on it and select Uninstall or Uninstall/Change. Follow the prompts to completely uninstall the game from your computer. After the uninstallation process is complete, restart your computer to ensure that all components of the game are removed. For Mac users, the process is equally simple. First, open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate League of Legends in the list of applications. Drag the League of Legends application icon to the trash. Then, right-click on the trash icon in the dock and select Empty Trash. Confirm that you want to permanently delete the application. Once the trash is emptied, the game will be completely uninstalled from your Mac.